Welcome back to our Coachtrimmers. Today you join me with this Porsche 911 GT3. This is a 991 generation and the owners bought it to us to have an interior retrim. You're now going to see some clips of the team working through the car, and then join me inside and I'll talk you through what we've been up to. I hope you've enjoyed watching the team work through this interior. So everything below the dash line has been retrimmed. We've used this beautiful Connolly leather tied in with this beige and black Porsche pepita houndstooth. A few other things we've done. The car had a mix of leather and Alcantara before. As we've got rid of most of the Alcantara other than the headlining, we've retrimmed the gear gaiter and gear knob in black leather. We've also done the speaker surrounds in black, fitted black seat belts, and then the owner's also going to have the steering wheel redone with a Connolly tan 12 o'clock marker up here. Really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you want to see the previous project that inspired this one, please click this link above and watch that video. And we look forward to bringing you another video soon.